In this video, I just want to make a connection between when we solve this, how is that connected to a graph of an absolute value? Well, let's just solve this. We know what to do. When an absolute value equals a number, take what is inside the absolute value, set it equal to the number, and take what's inside the absolute value and set it equal to minus the number. When I subtract 3, we get x equals -1. When I subtract 3 here, we get x equals -5. Now what is that? How does that connect to this? The graph of y equals the absolute value of x plus 3 is this right here. So this graph, this is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x plus 3. Okay? We'll learn how to get that later, but if you plug that into your calculator, you'll see that's the graph. How is that connected here? We want to know, keep in mind, y is equal to the absolute value of x plus 3. When is y 2? Well, the graph of y equals 2, keep in mind that's this. And what we're actually solving is this equals 2. That's the same as y equals 2. What is the graph of y equals 2? Well, it's a horizontal line going through y equals 2, right? Well, notice when x is -1, what is the value? Our y value is 2. When x is -5, that's the other place on the graph where the height or the y value is 2. So we see that when x is -1 and when x is -5, that's where this graph is equal to 2. So that's the connection between our solution and the graph, which will help us out later on in like algebra part 5.